Now, for the Apple Keynote Toolbar, if you know how to use the toolbar in Pages, you'll easily be able to use the toolbar in Keynote. It's virtually the same. So what we're going to do is table, chart, text, shape, and how to comment on it if you have your students make their own slideshow. So on the second slide, let's go to table, and we'll make any table. So if we want to change the columns and the rows, we're going to click over, and same thing down here. So let's do Yankees, Mets, National League, David Wright, and 1986 World Series champs. Yankees are American League. Derek Jeter is their most popular player, and 2009 World Series was the last time they were champs. Now, I don't want to add something else, so let's take away the last box. And that's how we can create a table, and you can change all the different colors here. So as we showed you, and you can make the rows and columns smaller, and if we hit fit and fit, it'll shrink them to each level for you. So fit, and it shrinks it. So click on each column and it will fit to the widest one. You can always change the text if you want, and so on. So if I want all my text in American League, I'm going to hold down Shift and click on 1986 World Series champs, highlights it all, and I'm shrinking. And then if I want to go back to table, I can click on fit and it makes it smaller. On my next slide, I'm going to insert a chart. And you can do any chart that you want, 2D, 3D, or interactive charts. So let's say interactive chart. And you can easily make it interactive and shrink them however you want. Same thing, make the chart smaller. If you hold down Shift, it will make it proportional to you, and that's the orange line that you see going diagonal. On the next slide, if you want to insert text, you just click text, and just like anything else, there's your text right there. So that's very self-explanatory. So shape we'll do on the same one here, and you want to click shape, and you can choose any shape that you want. And you can go over to style, make it different colors, make it a different fill, but we can make a border around it. But let's make it a white border, or we can click on the color wheel and this pops up, and we can change the color however we want. Let's click back on it though. Let's go to orange there. So there's our shape. Now, what you can also do is change the different layouts on here. So you can easily change them around so your slides are like that. Now, if you want to add comments, just click up on the comment, and I'm just going to hit don't allow. So type a name to use in comments. I'm going to put Mr. Rayo, and it allows me to add comments. Nice table, job well done. I can click on the next one, add a comment, click off it, and I want to move it around. Please label. And then right there. So I can save it and give it back to the student, and they can see my comments on their slideshow. And that is your toolbar in Keynote.